everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy that you are here watching this. I look like an egg, like a potato, but there's a reason. We are going to do a transformation video for Petite. First one I did a Carrie Brad show, I did a reel, and then I kind of explained in my blog all the outfit that I used. And then I did recently a reel of Ariana Grande, and I thought I'm going to do a video how I transformed myself, what did I do, step-by-step video. So if you like this kind of video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe, especially if you're a petite, because we're talking about petite things. And if you have ideas of who I should recreate next, please comment down below. I'm super excited to read your comments. Without further ado, let's start the video. As you see, my hair and everything is a little bit of a mess. What we are going to do first is straighten my hair, and then we are going to look into Ariana's makeup. The thing I'm using always straighten my hair is the Straight and Curl Confidence by Remington. It has like kind of twisted plates, and that's what helps to curl them. I have done a few videos, so check those ones out. Those are pretty famous ones. I have it for 2 years maybe. It's actually pretty good. One of the best ones. I have always used Remington. Straight. I am going to put them back so they don't bother me, and I will do the makeup now. Let's search Ariana Grande makeup on my phone. I will use some simple, most used one. Her eyeliner is this iconic look. What's happening in my hair? But even eyeliner, it looks like different from one look to another. I think this from Pinterest is the one I actually did on Reels as well, like similar, which she has like glitters. I am going to do that one. I will try to link all the makeup I'm using down below. This is the mascara that I bought recently from NYX on the Rise Volume Mascara. It has like really good reviews. All the people love it, so I bought it. But it is actually good. Like, it's exactly how I like it. Kind of natural but at the same time bold. I always love to moisturize my skin. Kiko Milano baby cream, which I'm obsessed as well. It reminds me of IT Cosmetics kind of CC cream, I think it was called. Then Stay Naked concealer. NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop powder, Sleek face contour palette. Do a little bit contour my face. I have the whole thing. I have my pear kind of shaped big nose, while she has like a tiny little nose, so I'm just going to. And then I have my forehead. I'm usually really not contouring so much, but as I said, I'm just trying to kind of visually making my face a bit sharper and smaller. And then I love to use blush, because I feel like she has all the time this like innocent kind of looking face. And then obviously Sleek highlighter. And then I use the cream eyeshadow, which is not like really eyeshadow, it's like meant as a highlight as well. But from Sleek Solstice, my favorite one. If you follow me, you know this is like my go-to. And then the brows. The brows is in general really difficult part. In general, lately I love more natural brows, but her brows are really not naturally made, obviously, like really bold. And also she doesn't have like really my shape of brows. She has rounder. brows are a little bit weird because they are so tiny. They're really short. Mine are really like long. I had similar ones, just a bit worse, but similar type. And when I started to go to the beauty salon, they were like, oh my god, your brows look like hooks. Fix it with my NYX brow gel. Eyeliner. I hate to do eyeliner. I did my eyeliner as best as I could. I'm really bad at eyeliners. I rarely do them, so I don't have really a lot of practice. Now I'm going to do lips. She has kind of natural lip, but I obviously need to make them a little bit puffier. Hair as well, like she has different ways how to do her hair, but I specifically loved one way how she did, and I'm just trying to follow how I did on Reels as well. It will especially work good if you have like a shorter hair in front of like the front part. I'm trying to go for her most iconic looks. Guys, I have like a huge problem. I did my hair as you see already. What happened is I filmed on one card, something happened with that card. I put on second card just in case, filmed, was doing my hair, talking how I'm doing it, and then when I tried to turn it off to go and start with the outfit part, it just said that you cannot read this card, and now I watched the footage and there's no footage, and I'm really pissed. I hate when these things happen. Anyways, what I did is I put this high ponytail. I have like a smart part of my hair hiding the hair tie, put right here with the bobby pins like secured there, and then I have this part which is like really long for me. If you have a short part you can just leave it hanging. Actually she does it as well, but I put it like this. Now we are where my closet is. It looks like a mess. Also my bunny is here to doing more mess, and it is as it is just because that's how real people look like. What we need for Ariana Grande look, we definitely need a hoodie. I discovered I have just one hoodie that kind of is that's vibe and style. I don't have any hoodie dress or hoodie that's like really long. I have some biker shorts because of that. My black moon hoodie that I wear. I have my over the knee boots because she on her iconic looks wear just that. Did I forget to end my video? Oh yes I did. I'm going to do that now. I hope you loved the video. I hope I did. Let me know if you think I did a great job or not. What should I do different? And again, comment down below what should I do next, and give it a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you guys next time. Bye!